So, September and February created a lot of unrest for a lot of people here in Otautahi, Christchurch. They were feeling disconnected, feeling a little bit out of it. And that's where people like myself can come into the community and show a love and a care. Let's ask Sally here what she felt when the earthquake and how she feels deep in the heart of her hearts. Let's see. It's okay, Sally. What about what Trevor does makes you feel sad? Don't interrupt. Shut up, man.
Everything.
Right. I'm going to show you some pictures. And when I do, I want you to tell me what's the first thing that comes into your mind when you see them. What about you, Trevor? What do you say when you say that?
Church.
Nice. That's a good start. That's a good start. Sally?
A mess.
That's a good start. That's a good start. See you, Trevor.
Toilet.
It's a good start, Trevor. It's a good start, Trevor. Sally? And you?
Really pretty.
That's not the right answer, but that's okay. That's okay.
She's prettier than me.
Oh, it's alright. It's alright. You're lovely on the inside. On the inside, deep inside.
And she's younger than me.
That's alright. She sings terribly. It's alright. It's alright. Alright. I think we're getting somewhere, you two. I can feel it. We're getting somewhere, are we not? It's okay. That's good. Let it out. Let it out. We're here for you. Let it out. Let it out. Daddy loves you. Mistake, ma'am. We've even been working and listening to the youth of the city. Here's a young'un that I'm trying to reach out to with love and aroha. Hello there, young one.
What?
So as you can see, the people of Christchurch have endured so much over the last few weeks. Might I say, here's a handy tip, is to think of something that will bring you joy and happiness and fun. As for me, I'd like to help you the best way I can, the best way that Patrick Moon can suggest. And might I say that when I find it tough, I think of Rebecca Black. And I just sing a song to myself and say, this is my moment. My moment. And I just sing that to myself and I dance all the way through them earthquakes.
You said that I would be nothing. Well, I'm about to prove you wrong. I'm not the only one who believes in something. My one wish is about to come true. I'm not stopping for you.